Welcome to CryptoLearn&Grow, where we make crypto simple and profitable. If you're new here, hit the like button and subscribe for more smart crypto tips. Crypto investing and crypto trading sound similar, but they're very different. One builds long-term wealth, the other chases quick profits. Let's break it down. Crypto investing means buying a cryptocurrency and holding it for months or even years. You're betting on long-term growth, despite short-term ups and downs. Think of it like planting a tree and waiting for it to bear fruit. Crypto trading, on the other hand, means buying and selling frequently, sometimes within hours, days, or weeks. The goal: profit from short-term price swings. It's fast, tactical, and risky. Here's the core difference. Investors focus on value over time. Traders focus on timing and price action. Investors often ignore short-term news. Traders act on it immediately. Investors hold for the big picture. Traders move in and out quickly. Investing pros: 1. Less stressful. 2. Ideal for beginners. 3. Lower fees. 4. Builds long-term wealth. Investing cons: 1. Takes patience. 2. May miss short-term opportunities. Trading pros: 1. Faster profits. 2. Works in bull and bear markets. 3. You stay actively involved. Trading cons: 1. Higher risk. 2. Emotion-driven mistakes. 3. More time, more skill required. So, should you be a crypto trader or investor? It depends on your time, goals, and emotions. If you prefer simplicity, long-term growth, and low stress, go with investing. If you have time, skill, and can manage risk, trading might be for you. Or combine both: invest long-term in Bitcoin and trade all coins short-term. Investing builds your future. Trading funds your present. The smart choice. Learn both. Master your edge. Want to master both the safe and smart way? Join our mentorship today. Links are in the description. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to CryptoLearn&Grow.